Welcome everyone. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. Another episode back. We're just gonna go over a quick video right here. I was on the internet and I saw Queen Ifrica sending a message to Bounty Killa and Jashie and other upcoming artists as well. And I just thought that this was something that was I thought that this is something that Jamaican chat should be all over. We should be talking about this. Understand? So this is not gonna be a long video, guys. It's gonna be a quick video. Before I get into the details, I'm gonna ask you guys, please subscribe to my channel. Please like, please share, please subscribe. And again, if you don't like the video, you don't have to like it, but please subscribe. Give us a chance to send out a video that you'd possibly like for future purposes. So yeah, just gonna send out this positive message from Queen Ifrica to Jashie to Bounty Killa, cause I saw the video that Jashie and Bounty Killa did the other day, and I was thinking to myself as well. Me that just think and I say, Killa is you get what I mean? Him is a big artist in the thing. The crime and violence at a way in the country right now. It would be good if that song that he did with Jashie was a positive song. You get what I'm saying? As well as it's not only Killa, it's not only Jashie. Enough other artists in the thing. You have King, who DJ about Mali Pill, and the whole works. Him a DJ about Mali Pill, and he might say some graphic things in him song. I don't think nobody are listen to him. People are gravitate to him, but them not listening to him. You might go say line like, "No gunman, me will kill the granny." You can't say them something there, brother. Brother, if that day in the back of you, or if it a go rhyme, you cannot say that kids are listening to you. Respectable adults are listening to you. And we understand so we're not gonna have gun tune and all of them thing there. Cause we're from Jamaica. We love when the songs them, vibe. Whether it's gun lyrics or whatever, but there's a limit, and these guys are passing the limit, popping Mali pills. Come like the Mali pill, them a turn them in a idiot. But anyway, we're gonna get into the video right now with Queen Ifrica. Again, before I start the video, I'm gonna ask you guys to just like, share, subscribe. Most importantly, please subscribe, because when you subscribe, even if you don't like the video, you give me a chance to send out a next video that you might possibly like. All right, thank you for joining Jamaican Chat. Please stay tuned for this video.
I had an interview and I was asked, at the very thing about the artist who is here before and those coming up. Bounty Killa did a song with Jashie, right? Now Jashie I love him very much. He's one of our very budding potential superstars out of this country, if the same mentorship that you're speaking of is carried out. Now the song that Bounty Killa did with Jashie is a very serious gun song, right? And while we're just talking about the right for freedom of speech, the right to express through music, the right to be who you are as an artistic person, I was bothered by it as a fellow artist myself. But as the song very nice, it's very catchy, the youths are onto it. But we are here today because of the level of violence that we're seeing played out amongst our young people in particularly. And now if Jashie is coming as a little youth who for the most part did not come into the business with gun lyrics, let me put that out there plain and clear. He's a little youth I was talking about, that he's talking about elevating himself, coming out of the inner city, making his mommy rich, making his family rich, not just doing crime and doing that. If you listen to the songs that this little youth is trying to do, those are the things that's what he's essentially trying to say. So I was to Bounty Killa that as much as I love you and the fact that you have introduced so many great artists into the space, we can name them all. Now you're getting like a grandfather role now. These are great grandchildren that you have now dealing with. We're saying change the strategy a little. Do a little, not even necessarily a cultural song, but do a song that is saying to the youths like Jashie, to the ones that are bigger like you, who Jashie is maybe influenced by that age group, say, let's change now how we speak to each other in music, so that Bounty now can have the opportunity to say, I let you Vibes Cartel, I let you Mavado, I let you Adoni, I let you all of these youths, and I made them do what they wanted to do. Now, as an elder in the industry, I'm saying to you, Jashie, that as much as you have the right to be lyrical and to do all you want to do, let's try to do some of these songs that will elevate your peers' minds, so that they don't feel like chopping is the only way out, or the guard rings, or that kind of a mindset. Artists who are willing to take that seriously. The mentorship is not, because a lot of these youths want to come to some of us as elders, but some of us as elders are not approachable. We feel like we've been there, we've done that, we're big already, the whole world know it, and you just need to just work on your thing, get your own foot in, and if it work out, it work out. We have a lot of responsibility where a lot of our elder artists are concerned. I try to reach out to all of these youths. I have all of them numbers in my phone, and I'm trying now to set up a meeting with them, so that I can help them to understand that see Vibes them, they see Tamili them, they are in jail. You know what I mean? And we don't know the real reasons why they're there, but they are still very influential even though they are in there. So let's look at what we're doing wrong in the industry and really try to get to these youths who really look up to us the way they do, and that's the only way out. Recently, I had an interview